Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CSS Point. So in this video we are going to talk about the padding and margin. What are the concept of padding and margin, and what are the use for. So in the previous video we have discussed about the background color and text color, and in this video we will talk about we will do a practical of what are the concepts of margins and paddings. So let's get started, and before starting the video, I request you guys to subscribe my YouTube channel so we can proceed further to very good content of CSS. So firstly we have to create our CSS folder on desktop. If you have watched my previous video, then you must know that what is the purpose of creating that. And we are opening the Visual Studio Code, and now we are opening our file. We are going to open our desired folder, that is CSS. We have opened it, and as you can see, the CSS here is signify that our folder has been opened. Right click on this one and create new file and index.html. okay, and reveal that in file explorer. I have revealed it, and now we have to change its title. And firstly we have to use our IntelliSense, and we have to put the things. And in the title section we are going to write margins and padding. Okay, so we are good to go, and now we are going to refresh it. I have refreshed it, and margins and padding. Okay, so the concept of margin and padding rarely use the divider. We have to implement it on the divider. We can implement it on any kind of image too, but the divider is the best option. So for that purpose we have to create several divs. I will create two div. First divider, and it contain the heading, and I am writing first. I will copy this one and paste right after it, and I will call it as second. Okay, after that third. I will create three dividers. Okay, and in today's video we will use internal CSS. So for internal CSS you have to make a style tag after body, and in this you have to make the classes that will be used for any kind of purpose. But for because we have used inline CSS in the previous one, we can use that one, inline CSS, and we will use internal CSS in the next video for sure. So if I want to, I am applying inline CSS in div section, so I have to write the style is equal to. Now firstly we have for understanding the concept of margins and padding, you have to create the borders of dividers, so each divider can be recognized that it is a divider. So I am writing style is equal to border. The border tag has been already used in previous video. Border, I will give 2px its width, and I will this time I will give it a dotted one and red. Okay, so in this one it has been implemented, so we will copy the style and we will paste it in this one. So as you can see that all the three dividers have their own border, the dotted one and 2px. So now I want the margin. So you have to understand the concept between the margin and padding. Simple concept. The concept is very simple. The padding will always implemented inside the divider, and margin will be implemented outside. If I say that I want the upper this divider, I want a space between this divider and the upper one, so I have to implement margin on it. And if I say that I want the heading, the space between heading and inside of divider, then I have to implement padding. For inside purpose we have to implement padding, and for outside purpose we have to implement the margin. So in this case, if I want to implement the margin, so I will write margin, and I want the margin from top, so I will write margin top 10px. So you will see that margin will be implemented, and a little bit of the divider is moved towards downward sides. And for purpose of watching, now you can understand what I am talking about. And the same is that if you want the space from bottom, so we will write margin bottom. Okay, so you will see that this divider has 100px margin from up one and 100px from downwards. So this is the concept of margin. In this video we will cover only margin. In next video we will cover padding too, and we will try to implement margin from left and margin from right too. So hope you like my video, and please do share, do subscribe my YouTube channel, and do like my video. And if you have any kind of question regarding today's lecture, then you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely give you a reply. Thank you.